Did you know that the way you brew your tea can drastically alter its health benefits? Stick around and I'll show you 6 amazing tea brewing techniques that could take your well-being to the next level. Hello tea lovers, welcome back to our channel where we explore all things tea. Today we're diving deep into the world of tea brewing techniques. How you brew your tea isn't just about flavor. It can also maximize the health benefits you gain from each cup. The right techniques can enhance the natural antioxidants and other health-boosting compounds in your tea. Let's jump right in. Have you ever made a cup of tea that tasted bitter or felt too weak? Many people unknowingly make some common mistakes when brewing tea, like using water that's too hot or steeping for too long. Unfortunately, these mistakes not only ruin the taste, but can also significantly reduce the health benefits of your tea. According to the Tea Advisory Panel, brewing methods impact the bioavailability of catechins, flavonoids, and other beneficial compounds in tea. Green tea. First, let's talk about green tea. Green tea is renowned for its high antioxidant content, particularly catechins, which can support heart health and boost metabolism. However, these compounds are sensitive to heat. Scientific research suggests brewing green tea at around 175 degrees or 80 degrees for 2-3 minutes. If the water is too hot or the tea is steeped for too long, catechins and flavonoids can degrade, leading to a bitter taste and reduced health benefits. A practical strategy is to bring your water to a boil, then let it cool for about 2 minutes before pouring it over the tea leaves. Another tip is to use filtered water, since tap water can contain minerals that affect the taste and health properties of the tea. Schedule a timer for the correct steeping period to prevent over-extraction. Black tea. Next up is black tea. For black tea, which is rich in theaflavins known for improving cardiovascular function and reducing cholesterol, you'll want your water slightly hotter, around 200 degrees F 93 degrees C. Steep it for 3-5 minutes. Oversteeping black tea can release excessive tannins, which not only make the tea bitter but also can reduce its beneficial effects. Research conducted by the University of Maryland Medical Center corroborates that the optimal extraction of theaflavins occurs at these temperatures and times. A practical strategy is to let boiling water sit for about 30 seconds before using it for black tea. For added health benefits, consider adding a slice of lemon to your black tea, as vitamin C can enhance the absorption of the tea's antioxidants. White tea. White tea is less processed than other teas, preserving its high levels of antioxidants like polyphenols. Due to its delicate nature, white tea should be brewed at a lower temperature of about 160 degrees, 71 degrees C, for 4 to 5 minutes. Higher temperatures or longer steeping times can destroy these sensitive compounds. Scientific studies from the Journal of Food Science and Technology indicate that lower temperatures not only preserve the antioxidants, but also the gentle, nuanced flavors of white tea. Practical approach is to use a thermometer to check your water temperature or invest in a variable temperature kettle. Pre-warming your teapot can also ensure a more consistent brewing temperature. Oolong tea. Oolong tea, a traditional Chinese tea known for its weight loss and cholesterol-lowering properties, requires a unique approach. Use water heated to around 190 degrees, 88 degrees C, and steep the tea for 3 to 5 minutes. At these settings, you'll get a perfect balance of antioxidants and amino acids, essential for maintaining heart health and boosting immune function. Researchers at the National Institutes of Health have found that the dynamic range of temperatures helps to release GABA and theanine in oolong tea, compounds linked to improved mental well-being. A useful tip is to rinse oolong leaves with hot water before the first infusion to wake up the leaves, enhancing flavor and nutrient release. Utilizing a glass or clay teapot can also help in maintaining the brew's precise temperature. Herbal tea. Herbal teas, including chamomile, peppermint, and hibiscus, offer various health benefits such as aiding digestion, reducing anxiety, and supporting liver function. Generally, they should be brewed with boiling water at 212 degrees, 100 degrees C for 5-7 minutes to extract all their beneficial nutrients. A study in the journal Phytomedicine suggests that full extraction of bioactive compounds occurs at higher temperatures and longer steeping times for herbal teas. A practical strategy for herbal blends is to cover your teapot during steeping to trap essential oils and vapors, which contribute to the tea's health benefits. Additionally, use fresh or dried herbs free from pesticides to get the most out of your herbal infusions. Matcha tea. Last but not least, we have matcha tea. Matcha is unique because you consume the whole leaf, making it incredibly potent in antioxidants like EGCG, known for its cancer-fighting properties. Sift your matcha powder and mix it with water heated to 175 degrees, 80 degrees C, to preserve its health benefits and ensure a smooth, non-bitter flavor. According to research published in Nutrients Journal, Consuming the whole tea leaf provides a higher concentration of antioxidants and nutrients. A practical tip is to use a bamboo whisk to blend your matcha properly, preventing clumps and ensuring a smooth consistency. For an added nutritional boost, combine matcha with a bit of almond milk or honey. Now here's the pivotal point. The critical factors like temperature and steeping time hugely influence the release of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in your tea during brewing. Oversteeping at too high a temperature can destroy these compounds, while understeeping can leave them underutilized. Knowing these techniques can make all the difference in the health benefits you get from your tea. In summary, proper tea brewing can significantly enhance the health benefits you receive from your tea. Whether you're brewing green, black, white, oolong, herbal, or matcha tea, knowing the precise temperature and steeping time can help you make the most out of each cup. So, the next time you prepare your favorite brew, remember these actionable tips. Not only will your tea taste better, but you'll also be reaping more health benefits with every sip. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed these practical tips, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tea-related insights and healthy living advice. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite tea or any brewing tips you might have. I'd love to hear from you.